So here we're told that if it was discovered that in year 2007 the value of imports should have been $5 billion. And if you look at in the graph, it shows that the value of imports in year 2007 was actually $7 billion, but it should have been $5 billion. So a quick way of doing this would be that because the question is asking for how much less the average would have been, what we notice is that the only difference is this data point in year 2007, which means that the sum of all the imports for the 10 years would differ by 2 billion. And so the average would drop by this amount divided by 10, which is 2 times 1,000 million. I'm converting it to a million over 10, which is 200 million. So the correct answer is A. Now, if this isn't clear, what I'm going to do is to do it the long way so you can clearly see it. The original average that's shown in the graph would be sum of 9 years, and I'm excluding 2000, plus the sum of imports for 2007, which is 7 billion. And I'm going to divide this by 10, and that's how I would have computed the original average. Now, the corrected average, I'm going to still add the sum of the other 9 years, but instead of 7 billion, I'm going to add 5 billion. And then I'm going to divide this by 10. The question is asking about the difference of these two. So if I subtract these directly, the denominator stays at 10, and I need to find the difference of those two. These two are the same, so the difference is, again, 7 billion minus 5 billion. And it's kind of what I was doing earlier, so it's 2 billion. I'm going to convert it to a million by multiplying it by 1,000, and it becomes 200 million, which is answer choice A.